Hey guys, Cam here, and this is the Honor Play, complete in its retail box. Now, this is the latest phone from Honor with flagship specs that comes at a fraction of the cost of other high-end devices. Once we slide off the lid and move the phone to one side, we get a look at what else is in the box. First up is the cardboard sleeve containing the transparent flexible case. You also get the slightly unusually shaped SIM ejector tool. Under that, there's your fast-charging power adapter capable of producing up to 22 watts, as well as your Type A to Type C cable. And then, finally, we get to the phone. Now, firstly, it has an all-metal body. It feels sturdy and solid in the hand and is less slippery and less likely to break than glass. It's available in a couple of different colours, but this matte black is attractive and stealthy. On the back, you also get a super fast fingerprint sensor as well as a vertical dual camera system made up of a primary 16 megapixel sensor and a secondary 2 megapixel one. It's an AI camera, meaning it can detect scenes and objects and adjust the settings to match, including the ability to stabilize images. The bottom edge features the Type-C port, speaker grill and a 3.5mm jack for those who prefer wired headphones. The right edge has the volume and power buttons, while the SIM tray lives on the left. Turn it round to the front and you get your first look at the 6.3-inch full-view display, which takes up an impressive 89% of the surface area, with only a notch and subtle bezel at the bottom keeping it from being truly bezel-free. The front 16-megapixel camera in the notch is capable of fast 360-degree facial recognition, as well as 3D portrait lighting effects to keep selfies interesting. But this phone is all about gaming and performance. Thanks to the GPU turbo hardware and software integration, the high-end Kirin chip inside will produce really fast and smooth results while gaming, reducing energy consumption and boosting graphics and frame rates to really high levels. What's more, there's 3D surround sound on some games and a 3750 mAh battery that's capable of lasting a day and a half. With 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, there's plenty of memory to go around. So that's a brief first look at the Honor Play, an exciting and powerful new device set to hit the market soon. I've been Cam, I'm at Cam Bunton on all the important social media networks. Hit thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you again soon.